All right, so you may be in the market for a cologne that is under $50 that smells, better than most of the luxury brands. And let me tell you right now, yes, there are colognes that are cheap and, beasts that compete with some of the luxury brands and the colognes that they're putting out. All right, so here's one cologne that is under $50 that, in my opinion, is better than some of the luxury brands, the colognes that they're putting out. Okay, so there's a common misconception that the more expensive a cologne is, the better it is. It smells more great and it lasts longer. But let me tell you, that is not the case. All right, so here's one cologne that I wanted to keep a secret, but it's all about sharing, guys. Like, we all want to smell good. There's no gatekeeping around here. So here's the one cologne that is under $50 that I believe is better than some of the luxury brands. It is this one right here, Hawas Ice. Guys, this thing is a beast. You may have seen many videos on it already, but like, honestly, it's soapy, it's clean, it's fresh, and it gets the job done. This thing is this is a versatile fragrance. Like, it complements with everything. Like, it doesn't matter if you're going to the gym, to work, to school, anywhere you go, you can spray this thing on and this thing will last. You'll smell great. I wouldn't say you'd be the most unique smelling, but like, honestly, if you just want to smell good, this thing is a beast. Here are the key takeaways. Like, this thing smells great, can go with anything. All right, fits everything well. This lasts long. Honestly, I spray this on and this thing smells on, like, it stays on the whole day. Like, that ain't no exaggeration. If you spray it on clothes especially, this thing will like be on in the next day. Spray it on skin, I would say maybe like give it like 8 to 12 hours. But hey, depending on your skin type, take that into account. It can affect the performance of the cologne. But hey, just give it 3 sprays. That's good for the whole day. And maybe, I feel like this thing, when the summer comes around, this thing will be a beast. The biggest plus, in my opinion, this thing is like, I think $34, 35. You can find it around $40 online at discounters. And hey, for a cheapie of this kind of, like, I would say this smell, like, it's not unique, but hey, it smells good. Like, I've gotten so many compliments with this thing. This thing's a beast, guys. You got to get this for yourself. Get this for yourself, all right? If you're looking for one cologne that's under $50, honestly, get Hawas Ice, guys, by Rasasi. I think you can get it on Amazon now, but hey, I'll likely put a link in the description so you can get it. But guys, get this thing. Hey, and if you have an opposing opinion of this, hey, let me know in the comments why you think this thing, is not amazing as people it is. But in my opinion, this thing is great. I wouldn't be like this is the best fragrance ever, but let's be real, guys. Like, it smells decent, it smells good. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, share it with your buddies, your cologne friends. But yeah, leave a comment below also, and if you have any other cologne videos that you want me to do, let me know. And take care, guys. God bless.